Hello and welcome to our continuation class, or the second part of our class on getting started with Google Classroom. So if you just type google.com in your browser, it opens a page like this. When you go to the top right, there are 9 dots there. You will find all the Google apps there. You look for your Google Classroom icon and click on it. Once you click on it, it opens the classrooms that we created the other time. Now I'm opening the classroom that we have created, which is the integrating technology in class. Now, once opened, when you look down there, you have streams, classroom, and people. So the streams contain all the activities that is done in the classroom, including the messages and the resources. So once you are in streams, you can type a message for your students. So when I clicked on it, you have announced something to your class, add an attachment. So let me just send an announcement. Hello and a warm welcome to all students. This okay, so I have just typed hello and a warm welcome to all students. I'm Jeremiah Nete, your instructor for this class. Kindly introduce yourself briefly. Your introduction should include your name, job title, or subject you teach, your country, and your expectation for this class. Now, after typing this, now you can post from the top right corner. When you click on post, it posts what you have written, an announcement, and then students can comment. So for you to comment, you only need to click on add class comment, and then your comment, you can add your comment. So I want everybody to join the class. I have shared the class link and the code already. If you don't have it, you can comment below this video, and I'll send the link to this class as well as the code so that you can join. And once you have joined, please try and then introduce yourself briefly. I encourage everybody to be both on our WhatsApp platform and on our Google Classroom, because at the Google Classroom, I'll upload the PowerPoints I've been using to teach all these classes. Everything will be uploaded on the Google Classroom. So you will do yourself a great favor joining the Google Classroom. Also, the WhatsApp, things can, once you lose your phone, it's lost. But here, wherever you are, you can open Google Classroom on your phone, tablet, or and it is always there for you to access. So please, everybody should try and get there. So for streams, all our activities will be showing here. The next one is the classwork. It is below in the middle there. When you click on classwork, here we can provide assignments for our students just by clicking on the plus button, and it asks create. Is it an assignment, a quiz, a question? Is it a material? And now let's say I want to add a material on how to, so the material title, getting started with Google Classroom. Description: step by step procedure on how to use or get acquainted with Google Classroom. Then I add the attachment. So I want to add a PDF, so upload a file. So I scroll down, and this is the file I want to share with my class. I click on it, and the file has been added. If I want to add a topic, I could add it. I could also decide not to add a topic. And so I click done and I post it. So the file is available for my students. If it were an assignment, my students can have access to it. And when I click on people, here are the people who have joined my class so far. And big shout out to all of you: Efia, Beatrice, Flora, Fred, George, John, Olu, Popula, and Sarah. So please, if this video has been helpful to you, share with your friends, share the link so that other people can benefit from it. Thank you.